pulled the FRS in here just to see what it looks like, and damn, dude, it looks like a paint booth in here. Got the silver shining silver and the red shining red. You can see all the grime on the windshield and everything. Oh my god, it's so much better because now I can actually make this car look good and know it looks good before I go out. Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Brandon Bondo here, and today we are going to be working on the garage and the FRS. But before we do, if you guys haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you guys hit the subscribe button, let me know down below. I'll get you a free cookie. Let me know. Anyways, pretty much today what we're going to be doing is I got some new lights that we're going to install in the garage because, as you guys can tell, it is, well, actually on camera it's not all that bad, but it's pretty dark in here, and especially if the lights turn off. I mean, this is during the day. Keep in mind that at night we don't have all that extra light from outside, so, and then that light doesn't stay permanently on, so we only have these two lights here that only light up this front area, so it's extremely hard to see in here. Pretty much what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing some new LED lights right there, and then over there, and then we're going to be testing out in this one area, in this one stall of the garage. We're going to be testing out how well that lights up the entire garage. If it helps enough, we'll move it over to the other side as well, and then we'll just have the entire garage lit up. I kind of wanted to do this because then I can have the garage door closed without the door open, because in every video I have to have the door open in order to get enough lighting in here. So I really want to just kind of improve lighting in here so that the video quality is better, and then so I can also work on cars in the middle of the night, because what we're about to do in the next couple of videos is just pretty much spend a ridiculous amount of time on this car and make it look right. If I'm going to be spending a lot of time in here, especially at night, I want to make sure that it looks really good and that I can actually see. So, alright, so these are the lights I picked up. They are the Hyper Tough 5000 lumen LED 4-foot shop lights. Pretty much they're just Walmart brand. That's all I really needed to say was they are Walmart brand, 5000 lumens. Apparently they only cost like $6 to run per year, which I don't know how long they let it run because that does not sound right. But pretty much, yeah, this is what we're going to be using. I think Tate uses this in his garage, well, Cody's garage technically. And so I've seen these specific ones in action, and in his garage they were able to light up the entire garage. There's only 4 of them. But our roof is way higher than theirs. Theirs only goes up to like there, and ours has a whole extra like 2 or 3 feet on top of it. So we actually might not get it lit up as well. That's why I got 3 of them. That way we can do one in the back, middle, and front. So basically this is what I'm going to do, because we have 23 feet from that wall to the garage door. With that being said, we have 3 lights that we can put in one lane. And more than likely, we don't actually need all 3 lights. I'm thinking we might actually only need 2 lights, because this one didn't come with the hanging stuff, so it's actually going to sit even higher up, which will spread the light further. But that also means that the light at the bottom is going to be less light. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and turn off these lights. And I placed one on the ground right in the middle here. So we're going to go ahead and turn this on and see how much it lights up the ceiling, because that should in return act as if it was on the ceiling facing down, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. We're going to see how much it lights up on the top, and we'll go based off that if we even need the 3rd one in the middle, which I'll probably do it anyway, just because then it'll be more evenly lit. But I just want to see how it looks first. So if we go ahead and turn this on, I'm not going to look at it because it's bright as fuck, I know that. So as you guys can see, it lights up pretty well. Actually, like that one light is actually almost enough to do the entire garage if I wanted to. To get the light more even, what we're going to do is we're going to spread them out, because this one light will only light up that one centerpiece. And as you guys can see, it shadows a lot in the corners and things like that. So if we spread it out, it should eliminate that. But this one light lights up the middle pretty well. So I'm thinking if we do 2 lights on the outsides, it should evenly light, hopefully. Alright, so I went ahead and placed down a second one, and as you guys can see, it lights up the garage pretty well. Like, there's actually no fade right here, and it goes all the way to the edges. The only thing I'm still not liking is the fact that there are still shadows in a lot of areas, but I mean, that's gonna happen regardless, unless we do like on the sides and everything. And realistically, it's not a paint booth. So I'm starting to think maybe we only need 2 of these for each side, because the way it's lighting up, this might actually be good enough. And keep in mind, there's still a lot of light bleeding in from outside too, and that could be throwing off shadows and all kinds of other different things as well. But for the most part, it seems like it covers almost everything that we need with only 2 of them. All right, so I looked into it, and the best way that we're going to be able to do this is by putting it in the studs, obviously, in the ceiling, which is really hard for you guys to see, but there is one stud there, and then this one right here, and that is the one that we are going to be using, which is the 3rd one from the back. And then it's going to be the same thing on this side. It is going to be 1, 2, 3, right where the lights are, and we're going to put one there. So we're basically only going to be putting 2 of them up. We have 3 lights. I've said this multiple times now, and I'm going to start with 2 of them and see how it looks. And if we need more lighting, we have this middle strip here that is still very hard for you guys to see, but that middle strip there is another stud, or is that what you call those? I think you call them studs. Anyway, there's another stud there that we're going to run a 3rd light on if we need it. I really want to look into possibly maybe staggering the middle if we end up doing that. That way we can kind of get rid of shadows if we have any. But the only way that we're going to be able to tell if we need that is by putting these 2 up and just testing it and see how it goes. Because as you guys can see, it actually, all of that side is really dark because this side is really light. So, which is basically normal light physics, that the other side is going to be darker because this side is lighter. And then on top of that, it looks really weird right now because the light is going up and not down. So anyways, I'm going to get to installing these, and then when we come down to wiring, what I'm going to do is we're only going to run the main wires, which they come with wires, but they're super short. So we're just going to run the wires on extension cords for now. And then I just ordered on Amazon, there's actually there's a thing called a smart surge protector, where it basically it's just a normal outlet strip that adds more power or more outlets for you to power your stuff. And pretty much the smart version of it allows it so that you can go on your phone or use your Alexa or your Google Mini or any of those devices to turn on and off the power to that strip. And so what we're going to do is we're actually going to run it into the strip or the outlet in the middle there that you guys can hopefully see. So we're going to run the strip out of the main outlet there that's right in the middle. So then we're going to put it on the roof of the garage or the ceiling of the garage. And then we'll run the power cords that way into that strip in the middle. That way we can just use your phone to turn it on and off, or use our Alexas or Googles or whatever we have to turn on and off the lights. So anyways, I'm gonna quit rambling. I'm gonna start installing these and see how it looks from the ceiling down. All right, so as you guys can see, the garage lights are in. We got one there and one there, and it was such a pain in the ass to put these on, actually, because the way that they have them is those little tiny holes that you put the screw in and you go one way and it locks it in, but then the other side you gotta like put it in and also lock it in, but it's so wide, I don't know, it's really hard to install them. It was kind of a pain in the ass. It took about an hour in real time, probably only took you guys a few minutes to see the entire thing. I'm not going to do any more FRS stuff in this video, but I'm going to continue to make a couple more videos tonight. But just look at this, you guys. Look how good everything looks. The cars look the color that they're supposed to look now, and they look even better on camera than I thought they would. And just like overall, the entire garage is just so much brighter. This side's pretty dark in person. On camera, it's not too bad, but it's pretty dark in person. I really want to get 2 more on that side, and I actually have an extra one already. I told you guys about that, so I will put one up probably in that back corner over there because this is still kind of lit up over here. And then I don't know, just overall everything looks really good. Like, look at this bumper here. This actually looks white. It doesn't look silver now. It's pretty great. Everything looks good. And I mean, you can see how dirty my garage really is now. So next thing up for the garage is to definitely sell some stuff and make some more room in this place. Hopefully I'm not here too much longer and don't keep taking up my parents' space, but for the time that I am here, I want to make sure that I have the room to do what I need to do, and there's a lot of things I have planned to do, and I gotta kind of make space for all that stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna do a quick before and after for you guys. So as you guys can see, this is how it looks currently with all the lights on, and this is what it used to look like. So as you guys can see, it is a major difference just in lighting. I mean, even like just one light alone makes this look so much better. And I mean, both lights just make everything so much better in here, so much more clean. And then, like I said, these wires are just temporary, these extension wires. I'm just gonna keep them here for now, but these are going to get routed to, the main power wires are gonna get extended out to the middle there. And that middle is gonna have a smart switch that I'll have all this stuff linked down in the description if you guys want to do this yourself. All be Amazon links with Prime and all that stuff. But the power strip will actually be a smart power strip. So pretty much all we got to do is just go on our phone, turn it on and off, or on my way out, say, hey, Alexa, turn on the lights, or hey, Alexa, turn off the lights. And then, so anyways, I've been rambling a lot. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to pull the FRS in. And keep in mind, it's all nighttime now, so this is what it's going to look like at night. But I'm going to pull the FRS in. I'm going to start making some more videos on that because we got a lot of work that we got to do on that car. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. I'm out. And see you guys later.
I seen a lot of shit I shouldn't have, but never forgot it though. Brothers on the corner selling crack like it was not a though. Walk inside my kitchen, baking soda all up on the floor. Police banging on the door while gripping the 44. I was just a youngin', but this type of shit I seen before. Y'all see a white boy, but my daddy a Negro. Half-breed motherfucker, grip the mic and heat flow. I just wanna spread love, they want me to bleed slow. I just wanna keep the peace.